Have you ever slept for 8 or 9 hours and still woken up tired? Not physically tired, just heavy. And then there are mornings when you sleep fewer hours than usual, yet wake up feeling clear, light, ready for the day. I thought rest was simply a matter of getting more sleep, but then I learned that not all sleep is rest. Yoga invites us to look at sleep a little differently. It says that sleep is not just about how long we sleep, but the quality of sleep we experience. Some sleep carries the heaviness of tamas, where we sleep to escape, to avoid, to withdraw from life, and somehow we wake up feeling even less alive. Some sleep carries the restlessness of rajas, where the body lies in bed but the mind is still planning, worrying, replaying conversations, thinking about tomorrow. Morning arrives but the mind never truly rested. And then there is sattva, where nothing dramatic happens. You sleep because the body needs rest. You wake up because it has received it. There is a quiet freshness to the morning, no heaviness, no agitation, just enough. Remember, sleep itself isn't sattvic, rajasic, or tamasic, but the quality we bring into it often shapes the quality we wake up with. Maybe the real question is not how many hours did I sleep, but the real question is what kind of sleep am I cultivating? Remember, not all sleep is rest, and not all rest comes from sleep.